Hello everyone, here is Manuel from the Bodynodes project. Here a small update. I want to show you how the gloves that I finished basically work on Blender in this case, and you can see how responsive they are. So I start with the thumb and then with the other fingers. There is a small delay, but it's normal considering that this is with the slow protocol, the one that I upload on GitHub, which is made to be simple to use, not for performance. So that's what I wanted to show you, and well, if you liked it, just push the like button on the video, and see you soon for new updates. Bye. It doesn't move.